Hi and welcome to this video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to add Docker for Mac on your Mac. Usually if your Mac is up to date, you will be able to install this. If not, you have to look at the next video. But I would say 95% of all the Macs will be able to keep up with this one. So follow me. So now we're on google.com and I'm just going to tap Docker for Mac. I'll take the first link and it says, okay, this is Docker for Mac, and if you want it, you have to click on Install Docker for Mac right here. So I click on it, and all this page contains the instruction for installing Docker for Mac. So it's pretty easy. You have the choice of the stable channel or the beta channel. I heavily recommend you use the stable channel because I want stability. I don't care about new features, and these are not needed for this course. As you can see, they have important notes saying that Docker for Mac requires OS X El Capitan 10.11 or newer Mac OS. They said that the app will run on 10.10.3, but if you can, please update to the newer Mac OS X, and then you can install Docker for Mac. If you really can't do it, just watch in the next video. So then I just click on Get Docker for Mac Stable, and it starts to download. It's 104 megabytes, so we will take a minute or two to download. So I'll just pause the video until then. Okay, so the download is finished. It's in the bottom left, so I can just click on it and it's going to open the DMG image, and then you get into this drag and drop. It's pretty easy, so you click, drag and drop it in the applications folder. I already have Docker installed, so it just asks me if I want to overwrite. You would do replace, but I won't because I already have it installed. Okay, then the last step is to just open Docker. So you would just type in Docker and find it. And automatically Docker is going to start in the top bar. So you see right here, it says Docker is running and it's green. So it's perfect. That means it's installed. The last thing we want to do is just check that it's working. So for this, it's pretty easy. All you have to do is open a terminal. So here it is, I open a terminal. And here I have a terminal window. So we're just going to test if Docker is running correctly. So the first thing you can do is Docker -- version. And it says version 1.13.1. You may not have the same version depending on when you do this video, but anything above 1.12 is enough. Then the only other thing you should do is Docker compose -- version. And it shows the Docker compose version. Any version will do. And if both these things are working, you're fine. The last thing you want to do is Docker run hello world, just to test if Docker can download images. So here it is. The hello world has never been run. It says unable to find image hello world latest locally. And automatically what Docker will do is download that image for us. So basically this is how Kafka will be set up on your machine. Docker will download it for you automatically. So here we go, and basically once the command is finished, it says, hello from Docker. This message shows you that your installation appears to be working correctly, which is great. This is where we want to get. So yeah, that's it. Now you have Docker installed, and you can get into the fun part, which is how to get Kafka running, and that will be very, very quick.